Good morning.
Morning.
Welcome to Gym Tours 2.0 in Bangkok. In Gym Tour 1, we took you to 3 different gyms in Phuket, Thailand. In this video, we're going to be taking you to 3 different gyms in Bangkok. Come with us, check it out. We're going to be checking out Fitway, we're going to be checking out the Muscle Factory, and we're going to be checking out Fitness 24/7. Here we go. We're standing outside the entrance of the Fitway gym in Bangkok. There it is. Let's see if we can go inside. Inside the Fitway gym, we have this ginormous green space area with weights, some gymnast equipment, squat racks. We even have pool table, ping pong table, foosball table, huge cardio area. And I'm assuming because of COVID, all the cardio area has kind of a blockade around it. There's a gazillion treadmills. There's also a fit cycling classes.
Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of different machines for a lot of different body parts here. Pretty much anything you can think of. Hack squat. This brand. Never heard of it. It looks really good. Glute machine. Glute standing leg curls. Inner outer thigh. Abdominal crunch, chest fly, lat machine, lat pull down machine. It's pretty interesting. And a power row. Really nice.
And the never-ending weight rack. That's
How heavy do these dumbbells go here?
That's a lot of weights. It's a lot of weights. It's a lot of equipment in this gym. Very impressed. Very impressed with the Fitway gym. Really impressed.
And it was only, what, $30 a month?
It was $30
So,
a month. That
classes,
was
everything. So
sweet deal. I would totally train at that gym, definitely. Tons of equipment, tons of weights.
friendly staff.
Very friendly staff. Everything was very clean. Very impressed. Hi everyone, today we are visiting Bangkok, Thailand's #1 bodybuilding gym, according to the review list, and that is the Muscle Factory here in Bangkok, Thailand. It's a huge facility and has a range of different equipment for all kinds of different fitness abilities. So let's go and check it out and see what we can find inside. Okay, let's head inside the Muscle Factory. Just heading up to the front entrance here. This is the front desk. They have a menu bar for protein shakes, coffee. A lot of trophies here won by Bart, I believe, who's the owner of the gym. And here are the membership prices for 2021. An area here where you can buy t-shirts, protein, and they also make their own meals. Super healthy meals. Let's go check out the playground. That's Dave. Hi, Dave. All right, so much equipment in this gym, I kind of don't know where to start. Vern, you want to give us a little tour? All right, we're gonna start in the CrossFit/powerlifting area. This gym is so large that it's broken up into different sections. So we'll start here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7 platforms and a gazillion weights. both metal and rubber weights in this area. Quite a few squat racks. I don't think you'll be waiting too long to be able to have your turn at equipment, that's for sure.
Different types of bars, tires,
Green turf.
Okay guys, section number 2 is the leg area. I'll take you through some of the stuff they have here. So they have, of course, a ton of presses. Lying press, hack squat, lots and lots of leg stuff here. We have this piece here, which is something that it's not in too many gyms. This is a, believe it or not, a leg press. Leg extension, leg curls, calf machines, and about 3 or 4 pieces for each body part.
Number 3, we have a Muay Thai / boxing area with a full-out ring. Next section, number 4, has a gazillion pieces of hammer strength equipment. This is the back area. I have never seen a gym with this much equipment before in my life. I can see now why they call it the playground. There's so many pieces, you just really don't know what to play with.
There's never a time when you can't get onto a piece of equipment.
Nope, there will be no wait time whatsoever. None. And a variety of different brands of equipment as well. Here's the dumbbell free weight area. Definitely enough weight here.
Okay, this area in the gym here, we have more weights. We have some heavy dumbbells, and these are, of course, in kilograms. So they're about, look at about 160 pounds. Cable machine. And then we have a ton of more machines, just random machines for different body parts in this section.
This corner is kind of neat. It's got a member wall. You can write your name in there, or a little saying, or how you're feeling today, where you're from. And that's followed by this long open track. You can do a variety of different exercises on this long open track, walking lunges and so forth. The gym has 4 big ass fans for ventilation. Now we're going to take you upstairs to the cardio area. It's on the 2nd floor of the gym. Bathrooms and locker rooms for girls and boys are just off to your right here. They're very clean. The cardio area. There's air conditioning in here, which is so nice. Variety of different treadmills. There are exercise bikes just outside of the air-conditioned area. Another long row of treadmills. Some recumbent bikes. And we have 4 ellipticals here in the back corner. We're just going to take you to show you the view of the gym from the 2nd floor, just outside of the cardio room. Just to give you another idea of how much equipment is actually in this gym.
Yeah, if anybody needs motivation, this is the place. Yeah, some pretty intense people here, which is great.
To Fitness 24/7. This is the gym that Vern and I have been training at for the last couple of weeks. And I'm going to take you in and show you inside of the gym.
Hey guys, so we're in Fitness 24/7. I'll take you through a little bit and we'll see what these guys all have. The free weight section. Two squat racks. Plenty of weight. Free weight. Smith machine. Presses, calf machines, benches, incline and flat, preachers, reverse sit-ups, sit-up, kettlebells. We have a hip thrust, and we got Kim over there working out, cables, and everything here is basically brand new. It's really nice. Okay, and over here we have our strength machines, Nautilus. As you can tell, it's a nice long gym. Lots of natural light. Dip fly machine, lat pull down, chest press. Light curl is really good. Extensions and a Nautilus press.
Gym also offers an indoor cycling class that you need to sign up for. It's a nice little room over here, a nice setup, and there's also a big screen for you to follow with along with the classes. Gym also has a little stretch and cool down area here, which is really nice. And just on the opposite side of the stretch and cool down area is the cardio area. Whole wall of treadmills, lots of natural light coming into the gym. It's nice and bright in here. We have air conditioning. We have 4 ellipticals, 2 Stairmasters, a couple more ellipticals on the opposite side, so 6 ellipticals, and some exercise bikes. And here's my husband on one of the bikes. A separate women's gym. I can't say that I've been inside of there, but it's women's only. And then we have some rowers, and for those of you who are into Muay Thai or kickboxing, there are some pieces of equipment for that as well. This is the inside of the group training room. They run a whack load of different classes in here, and you can sign up for those online. Don't know what they all are. I did see a Zumba, kickboxing. There were a bunch. Nice big room. It's nice and cool in here. Okay, I forgot to mention the cost of a membership. And membership prices at 24/7 are $20 for a walk-in, Canadian, 500 baht. I find that awfully expensive. When you're traveling on a budget, that's just not going to cut it. But a monthly price was $50 Canadian. I think that's totally worth it. Even if you're only coming to work out a couple times, you might as well buy the $50 a month. And that way you're good to go and you don't have to worry about coming in for a $20 fee. All right, so that wraps up the tour of the gyms in Bangkok. We went through the 3 gyms. Each of the gyms is excellent, has excellent equipment. All 3 have different price points. All 3 have different types of equipment that they offer. But we're going to leave it up to you to decide which gym would be best suited for you when you come to Bangkok. Keep in mind, there are many others to choose from, but these were the 3 that we felt were really great and offered a variety for each type of person. Thanks for watching.